Picture this, it's payday, your account hits $2,400, and for one beautiful moment you feel rich. You're basically Jeff Bezos. 3 days later, you open the app, see $312, and have absolutely no memory of what happened. No vacation, no shopping spree, just gone. If your paycheck disappears faster than free pizza in an office, this video is your autopsy report. I'm Buck, and I spend an embarrassing amount of time thinking about where money goes to die. If you've ever played the Where Did It All Go game with your bank app, hit subscribe and smash that like button. It genuinely helps. Now let's solve the case. Here's the thing, everyone tells you the problem is discipline. You just need more willpower. Spend less, skip the latte, stop being so weak. Yeah, that's mostly garbage, because you could cancel every subscription, swear off coffee forever, and still be broke by Wednesday. The real reason isn't your willpower, it's that your money has no instructions, and money without instructions always wanders off. Let's meet the first suspect, your single bank account. Your paycheck lands and your brain sees one big juicy number, $2,400. Feels like Monopoly money, but your brain conveniently forgets the rent that's coming, the utilities, the phone bill. That $2,400 isn't spending money, and maybe $400 of it is. The other $2,000 is already spoken for. You just can't see it, so you spend like it's all yours because it looks like it's all yours. It's the oldest magic trick in the book. Your brain only counts what it can see. Suspect number 2, frictionless spending. Tap, tap, buy now, done. No cash changing hands, no pain, no moment of wait, do I need this? $7 coffee, $14 lunch, a $9 subscription you forgot existed and haven't used since the pandemic. Individually? Harmless. Together. They're a swarm. Death by 1,000 taps. Here's what most people don't realize. Nobody goes broke from one big dumb purchase. They go broke from 100 tiny reasonable ones. Think of your paycheck like a bucket of water. Seems like plenty, but your bucket has a dozen tiny holes in the bottom. Too small to notice, big enough to drain it. You keep blaming yourself for not pouring more water in. The problem was never the pouring, it's the holes. Now you might be thinking, okay, so I'll just track every penny and be super careful. Totally fair, but here's the catch. Willpower runs out. By day 3, you're tired, you're stressed, and I deserve this wins every single time. You don't need more discipline. You need a setup that doesn't rely on discipline at all. So here's the smart money move, and it takes about 10 minutes. Split your account in 2. Account 1, bills. The second your paycheck lands, the exact amount for rent, utilities, and fixed stuff gets auto-sent there. Don't touch it. No card, no peeking. Account 2, spending. Whatever's left, and only what's left, is your guilt-free money. When that account says $300, that's your reality. No math, no guessing, no nasty surprises. Seriously, that's it. No spreadsheet, no app pinging you with guilt. No tracking every taco. And the magic, you're not fighting temptation anymore. You move the candy bowl out of the room. Same you, same paycheck, completely different result. Because now your money has instructions. So let's recap the case. 1. Your single account lies to you about how much you actually have. 2. Tiny frictionless purchases drain you quietly. 3. Willpower was never gonna save you, the system will. Plug the holes, give your money a job, and suddenly that random Wednesday doesn't wipe you out. Look, being broke 3 days after payday was never proof that you're bad with money. It was proof that nobody handed you a system. And the wild part, the fix isn't earning more or trying harder. It's just turning dumb money into smart money. On purpose. Payday is coming again whether you're ready or not. The only question is whether your money sticks around long enough to matter this time. If this helped the puzzle click, subscribe. We turn dumb money smart around here. And I'm curious, be honest, how many days does your paycheck actually survive? Drop the number in the comments.